major issue world over. People are losing their mental health.
For sure.
I mean, we talk about. I mean, we talk about good health. I mean, it's not just physical health that we talk about. It's not just about six-pack and having a great body. Mental health is so important. I see a lot of people losing it. And I want to tell. I want to tell my fans, look, life is short. Look, life is short. You could be gone, we could all be gone. Be happy for other people. If someone's doing well in life, be happy.
Yes.
எண்ணம் போல் வாழ்க்கை.
நீ எந்த சாதி நினைக்கிறியோ அந்த சாதிடனா. ரத்தத்துல சாதியை பார்க்காத. மொத்தத்துல நான் உழைக்கிற சாதி.
எண்ணம் போல் வாழ்க்கை. எண்ணம் போல் வாழ்க்கை means what you think is what you are or how your life is.
Okay.
So if you have good thoughts, so will your life be. You know, your life will be beautiful. You don't bother about what the other person is doing.
Yes.
I mean, how is it going to help? Focus on your life.
நம்ம கூட இருக்கிறவங்கள நாம பார்த்துக்கிட்டா நமக்கு மேல இருக்கிறவன் நம்மளை பார்த்துக்குவான்.
Focus on your life. I tell my fans, I mean, yeah, okay, watch films, everything is fine. But you know, Ajith varga, Vijay varga, you know, ninga po vaada poring. When are you going to do that?
I think that was.
Never, ever give up. Give up.
I think that was a lovely thing you told fans.
I'm very grateful to the love that you have all given me. But please look after your life. I'd be a very happy man when I get to know that my fans are also doing very well in life.
Excellent.
Again, life is very short. Our great grandchildren are not going to remember us. So just keep this in mind. Live for the day.
Yes.
Don't look at the past.
லட்சத்துல ஒருத்தன் தான் ஜெயிப்பான்னு சொன்னீங்க. உண்மைதான். ஆனா அந்த 100ல ஒருத்தனா 1000ல ஒருத்தனா லட்சத்துல ஒருத்தனா நான் இருக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன் சார். லட்சத்துல ஒருத்தனா நான் இருக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன் சார். கண்டிப்பா இருப்பேன்.
Live for this moment. Live for now, because one day we will all die. Not just stay healthy, not just physically,
Mentally.
mentally. Love you.